Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. I just want to do a short video today on kind of restoring maybe secondhand or old and abused decorative items. So this I got for free at just a little exchange, one of those tables where you can grab stuff for free at a church activity, and it was destined for the dump. And I'm really sad that I did not take before pictures because most of the work has already been done on this, but I'll just kind of explain that. So it's got this nice real bark base to it, and on the inside it's just styrofoam, but it was peeling off, like it was pretty much completely off, peeling off the top and the bottom. And I was using some hot glue and just really holding it tight, but even that was not quite enough. I was going to be using a massive amount of glue and really hurting my hands trying to hold it for a long time. So I decided to add the help of the twine. So just some little decorative twine that I have, wrapping it around, giving it a cute little knot there. I could do a bow or something like that. Now on the sides, because of the glue and the fact that they were split, there were exposed sides that really didn't look that great. And so I probably could have done the twine all the way around, but I really did like the natural bark here. So I actually decided to use these little brass tacks and line them up so that you don't see the ugly edges there. So that brought that to life. The next part is, I think, pretty common with these, and get a better picture here. But all of these little berries, right, they're made out of styrofoam, and I thought that maybe I could just trim it off, but they're glued together so much and they're so kind of fragile that if you try to pick one off, then the one next to it has a white spot and it's just going to continue. So I realized instead of having this stark contrast where we see, oh, yep, there's damage all over, is to do a little bit of painting. I'm not too concerned about it being a perfect match on the color, just to cover it up so it doesn't have such a big difference. So that we're gonna do together. So I'm gonna take just this regular old craft paint that I've had forever. If you don't have any, you need any supplies, feel free to check out my Amazon shop. Save yourself a trip to the craft store, help support this channel. So on the more brown ones, I'm using this lighter brown. And let me see, it's kind of an awkward angle. Let me see if I can zoom in for you and still be able to do it. Okay, so I've pretty much done the ones that are more brown, and then just so it's a little closer to that, I'm going to mix a little bit of brown and red, maybe orange, that I have on hand. Okay, and then I'll use that for the more orangey red ones. And here I just have some pictures from one of the other arrangements you'll see, just kind of darker and redder colors that I also did. You can see there is a big contrast, and when it's all done, your eyes are drawn to these big white chunks. They look brand new, honestly, I think. So just a little bit of time, tiny bit of paint, maybe a little bit of glue, tacks, all that, just depending on the shape. But honestly, these were really ready for the trash, and I was proud that I could resurrect them, give them a new life, and enjoy them for the season. So I'd love to know, would you like to see more restoration projects like this? And thank you for watching. Have a great day.